happening? I'm out here at the place this morning doing some more cleaning up. Me and Pops. We out here doing a little cleaning up. We just cleaning up the front part. That's the back there you see is that green growing up in the back there. So I'm gonna work on it probably tomorrow, next weekend. I ain't gonna worry about it right now. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna cut these trees up behind me, get these logs cut and stacked up and get them out the way. That's probably all I'm gonna do today. Pops over there trying to light his little brush pile he got stacked up over there. So y'all stay tuned. Finna try to get these logs cut up. I had some visitors this morning. Show y'all what they did over here. You'll know what it is when you see it. Had some hogs in here this morning, tearing the ground up. That's all right. Catch y'all rooting in there. Once I get down here, your ass gonna be mine.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry. Just leave me up and you it's never what it feels like, just throw me and die. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
I got a little bit cut up. Take a break right now. That one tree back there, I don't know what it is. I thought it was an oak, but it ain't. It might be a sweet gum, so I just use it for firewood, but that one on the cut up right there, that's red oak. So I use that for some barbecue or something. But I'm finna take a little break, y'all stay tuned.
You ain't got now another T-post, do you?
Nah. Yo, what's up?
One more.
I just cleaned up the front up here by the gate. Had a couple trees up here in the front, trying to clean up here in the front, make it look nice up here in the front. So we got it all cleaned up and out the way. Finna throw this on the little brush pile we got right here. Then I'm gonna get back over here and work on these logs over here. Y'all stay tuned. Yo, we out here at the place today, cleaning up a little bit. I'm trying to get these logs cut up right here. I'm working on this log right here, the one on the bottom. I thought the one on top was red oak, but we found out it's not. So I don't know what it is. It might be a white oak, but it ain't no red oak. The one on the bottom is a red oak, so that's the one I'm gonna keep. But I'm gonna come back out here tomorrow, probably with a brush hog, and do the backside. The backside growing up, but right now we just working on the front. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna work on this log right here. I got that one log cut up, y'all. I'll work on the other log next. But I gotta keep them separated because one red oak, the one that's cut up is red oak. That other log, I don't know what it is. It might be a sweet gum or it might be a white oak. I don't know. All right, what's going on, y'all? I'm still working on this one log. I got it all cut up. But what I done did, I done made a little rack right here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stack what I already got cut. I'm gonna try to stack it on this little rack I done made right here and get it off the ground. So y'all stay tuned. Well, it look like that's about high as I'm gonna get it. Hopefully it stay up. I just got a few more pieces. I'll try to make another rack in front. That'll make it a little bit more steady or behind it. So y'all stay tuned. What's up, y'all? I made that little old rack back there, stacked that wood up on. So I only got a couple more pieces on the ground. I'll get that up in a minute. But hopefully this stack I done made, hopefully it stay up, won't fall over by the time I get back. Got a little pyramid going on. Be all right. My blade getting dull. I'm gonna change my blade out and work on that last log. Then after that, we're gonna be done. Try to get on up out of here. Y'all stay tuned. Yo, what up? I'm about to pick these last little few pieces up. I made another little rack in front of it. So that way I can go and stack the rest of these little pieces on here. Y'all stay tuned. I got everything picked up. So what I did was I made another rack in the front, and I brought the pyramid down a little bit so it wouldn't be so high. So that's better like that. That way I ain't gotta worry about it falling down. That's it. That's it for the red oak. That's what I was gonna save. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of it. I'll just cut the rest of this here up and use it for firewood. But I'm gonna take a break. I might cut it today, I might not. Shit. I'm tired now. But y'all stay tuned. What up, y'all? So I got the red oak all cut up. Got it in the pile over there. Got that one log in the back. I might mess with it today, I might not, I don't know. I'm gonna take a break, cool off for a minute, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all go check out my CNB Outdoors. Got some new footage coming real soon. So y'all check me out. There it is, y'all. Got that last log all cut up. I got that last log cut up, y'all. So that's all I'm gonna do today. So there it is. I was supposed to have a tractor with me, but the tractor wouldn't start, so I just came down here and did what I could do by hand. So, but I still knocked the dent in. Got a lot of stuff done. Got them logs cut up, so. But I wanted to clear something up for a lot of people out there. A lot of people thought I'm clearing this here off to do some hunting on. I ain't doing no hunting on this here. This is where I'm gonna build my house at. So I just wanted to clear that up. A lot of people out there thought I was clearing out a hunting spot. This ain't no hunting spot. This is where I'm gonna build my house at. So there it is. Now you know. So y'all stay tuned. CNB Outdoors. Shit, we out here jamming. Yeah, y'all don't know nothing about that. You wasn't born in the 70s, you don't know nothing about that. Yeah, you don't know nothing about that. Well, that's it, y'all. We put in a little work today. We got the front part looking all right, so I'll get that back either tomorrow or next week. But I got these logs over here all cut up. Since I couldn't get the tractor out here, I had to come up with another plan, so I cut these logs up that was right here. 2 of them was red oak. I don't know what this is right here. It might be some kind of sweet gum or something. I don't know what it is. I thought it was a red oak, but I don't know what it is. Might be some kind of white oak or something. I'm gonna take a piece down the street and let this man look at it and see what he say, cause he cut a lot of wood, so I'm gonna take it down there and see what he say. But got all this red oak stacked up over here. Next time I come down here, I'll bring something to cover it up with. But that's it, y'all. Putting in a day's work. We're finna get up out of here. So I'll probably do the back next week. I'm gonna come back with a brush hog. And all that green stuff you see standing up, I'm gonna take care of all that all the way around the back and get all that cut down. So I gotta keep this place cut until I decide to build out of here. So it ain't gonna be long, but at least I gotta keep it cut and keep that undergrowth from growing back. Cause once you start letting it grow back, it get hard to manage. So that's why you gotta keep it cut. But that's it, y'all. We're gonna get up out of here. Shit, but that's it, y'all. We're gonna get up out of here. So put in a lot of work today. Got the firewood stacked up. Red oak. So I don't need no barbecue wood for a little while. Hopefully nobody don't come steal it. Somebody see it stacked up there and come take it. So hopefully when I get back down here, it'll still be there. But that's it, y'all. We finna get up out of here. Finna get up out of here, CNB Outdoors. Go check out my YouTube. Like and subscribe. Got some new footage, new shows coming real soon. So y'all check us out. Got Pops out shooting his gun. And yes, we out here in the country, so you can shoot out here. We ain't in the city. Huh? Well, that's it, y'all. We're gonna get out of here.